Hi everyone, welcome back to another house tour. Hope you all are doing well. In my today's video, I'll be sharing with you all an affordable 4-bedroom property. This is Madrid from Strata Homes. So stay tuned and watch this video till the end. It could be useful to you. This is located at Leeds City Centre. Now going with the floor plans, in the ground floor we have a garage, lounge, kitchen with dining and a washroom. On the first floor we have 2 bedrooms and a common family bathroom. And on the second floor we have again 2 bedrooms with the master bedroom having the ensuite facilities. Now as you enter the house, you'll find a spacious and quite a lengthy hall in front of you with various partitions made towards the kitchen and also the living. First, we'll explore the living room, which is coming straight ahead. So this is a very bright and beautiful living room, which is coming behind. As you can see, it's quite spacious and comfortable. A very big sofa or 2 sofas on both sides can fit in, and you have really good room space. Towards one end, you're getting this garden access to the white French doors. So the light air movement are really good. You'll be getting a very spacious and big garden behind with fence around it. And through this living room, you can enjoy the beauty of your garden. It's very relaxing actually. Overall, a beautiful living room with good space and comfort. Now let's check out other rooms in the ground floor. So moving towards the kitchen, this kitchen is actually coming in the front towards your right side as you enter the house. The day when we were actually filming this video, there was some kind of power cut in the ground floor. So you don't find all those extra fancy lights which you normally find in other show homes. Actually in the kitchen, the natural light is falling now. So when there is no lights, your kitchen looks like this actually. It's all right, a decent amount of light is falling in. You're getting your ovens towards the corner, and in between it's the electric cooking provided. So in all the Strata homes, you get this electric cooking. And there are a few cupboards given on the top and even at the bottom. There's an exhaust, and the place for the fridge and freezer is provided here. The space is okay, the kitchen side, and towards the other end they actually gave some extra space where if you want you can plan a dining table. So towards this end they actually planned the dining corner. It's a nice idea. They gave a round sofa over there and a table they arranged here, so kids can comfortably sit and enjoy. Again, it's totally up to you. If it was me, I would have arranged a dining table in the living room because I really don't like this kind of a closed kitchen with dining area. But it's alright, it's a lengthy kitchen. So just as you come out of the kitchen, opposite to it you'll find the washroom in the ground floor. The space is okay, you have the water closet, sink, and there's an exhaust provided. Now before moving to the first floor, let's check out the small storage space under the staircase. This has again got a door and lock. Now moving towards the first floor. Here on the first floor we have 2 bedrooms with 1 common family bathroom. So this is the first bedroom of the house. Now all the 4 bedrooms in this property are double bedrooms, which is a good thing. So if you look at it, the space is actually given in length. Towards one side you can easily plan your cot, let it be a king size bed or a regular double cot, and still you have really good space to walk around. You'll be getting 2 windows, and there's plenty of light falling in the room, which is again a very good thing. And towards the front end of the room, you have really good extra space wherein you can plan your wardrobes, and you can also plan a dressing table there. Since it's located in the city center, you feel very connected to everything. And the height of all the rooms are really good, so you'll be getting a very lengthy wardrobe, which is quite spacious as well. Overall, a decent bedroom with good space. So just beside this first bedroom, you'll be getting the family bathroom. The space is okay in this bathroom. You have the tub, water closet and sink. Now just beside this family bathroom, you have another room with door and lock, and inside you have this water heater. Now let's check out the second bedroom of the house. So just opposite to this, you're getting the second bedroom. As I told you, this is again a double bedroom. You're getting 2 windows even in this bedroom, which is a very good thing. So as you can see, even after having a double cot, there's really good room space to walk around. And now here in this room, they've actually planned the wardrobes towards the side. Again, it's up to you. If you want, you can plan these wardrobes same in the front portion, so that you'll get a little more bed space towards this side. Towards the front end, it looks spacious with less furniture. Actually, it's always good to have less furniture in the house because the house looks more spacious and very comfortable. Now before leaving, let's check out the wardrobes. So the wardrobe space also is really good, and since they gave these glass doors, it looks more attractive. So overall, a beautiful room. Now let's move to the second floor of the house. Here on the second floor, we again have 2 bedrooms with 1 master bedroom having the ensuite facilities. Now exploring the third bedroom of the house. This is again a double bedroom. The shape of the room looks much similar to that of the first bedroom in the ground floor because this is coming just on top of it. So the pattern looks much similar. Towards one side they gave the bed, and the wardrobes are coming here towards the side now. Again, as I told you, if you want, you can plan the wardrobes towards the other end because here you'll get some extra space. Now even in this bedroom they gave 2 windows, which is a very good thing. So plenty of light falling in the room from both the sides. And the ventilation also is quite good. If you observe, they really used very simple interiors in this house, which are quite common and at the same time attractive. So now checking out the wardrobe space. As I told you, in this house you'll really get the lengthy wardrobes because of the height of the rooms. And the space also is quite okay. Overall, a decent bedroom. Now let's check out the master bedroom of the house. Now all the 4 bedrooms in the property are double bedrooms, as I told you in the beginning, but the master bedroom always gets some extra space, apart from having the ensuite facilities as well. So this is the master bedroom of the house. As you can see, it's beautiful and spacious. Even after having this king size bed towards one side, you have a really good room space to walk around. You'll be getting 2 windows even in this bedroom as well. So actually in all the 4 bedrooms we are getting 2 windows in this property, which is a very good thing. Here again, very cleverly they arranged the wardrobes towards the front end. Also they provided a dressing table beside it, which is really good. So it's gone inside the wall and you get all that extra space in the room. Now the ensuite is coming towards this side. The space is okay. This is a fully tiled bathroom. You have the water closet, sink, and there's a walk-in shower. I felt the property was okay for this decent price. You're getting 4 bedrooms with really good space and style, and there are 2 windows coming in each bedroom, which is a good thing. The bathroom space is okay. And in the ground floor, the living room was really beautiful with a garden access and also plenty of light falling in. And apart from this, you're getting a garage with this property, which is really good thing. So just as you come out of this bedroom towards your left side, you'll be getting another small room with door and lock. The boiler is kept inside this room. So we covered all the rooms in this property. So here in this show home, the garage is coming behind the garden, but normally when you buy a property, it comes beside your house. I hope you liked watching my today's video. Do give me your suggestions and feedback in the comment section. I would love to hear from you. Also, if you're watching my channel for the first time and if you haven't subscribed yet, make sure to hit that subscribe button and feel free to activate the bell icon at the bottom so that you won't miss out on my future uploads. Stay safe, stay connected. See you in another vlog.